So, what if you could create a movie without a multi-million-dollar budget or a giant film crew? What if all you needed was, well, your computer? That's the promise of AI video generation. And we're going to dive into how you can have a personal movie studio right at your fingertips. And look, this isn't just hype. We've seriously hit a tipping point. We're talking about making a music video for your band, a short film for a festival, or an amazing product demo for your business, all from a few lines of text. This is a massive revolution in creativity, and it's open to literally everyone. So that's the big question, right? How did we get here from something that felt like total science fiction to a tool you can use on your own laptop? And maybe more importantly, where is this all going? Well, we're going to get into all of it. We'll check out the tech, meet the key players, and even show you how to direct your own AI masterpiece. And trust me, the future is coming a lot faster than you think. To really get where we are now, we need to look at just how much has happened in the last year. So, what makes 2025 so special? Let's break down the incredible leaps that have made this the year of AI video. Okay, so the core idea, it's actually super simple, but wow, is it profound. You can just type a cat wearing sunglasses playing a tiny piano, and the AI, it just makes it for you. This is the magic we're talking about, turning your imagination directly into moving pictures. The creative possibilities are just endless. And this is where things get really exciting. We're not talking about little tweaks anymore. These AIs now understand physics. So when a ball drops, it actually bounces like a real ball. When water splashes, you see realistic ripples. And now, with synchronized audio, you can get everything from perfectly lip-synced dialogue to the subtle sounds of a city street. This is what's turned AI video from a fun little toy into a seriously powerful creative tool. But hey, this stuff didn't just appear out of thin air. To really appreciate what we have now, we need to rewind a bit and look at the incredible technical journey that got us here. It's a really cool story of brilliant people and some serious game-changing ideas. Think of it like this. The first wave, GANs, was like having two artists in a constant competition, always trying to one-up each other. The second wave, VAEs, was a bit more stable, a more predictable approach. But the real game changer was the third wave, diffusion models. Imagine starting with pure noise, like a fuzzy TV screen, and an AI slowly, carefully refines it into a masterpiece. That's what diffusion models do. And the results? They're absolutely stunning. Let's zoom in on an early pioneer called MocoGAN. It was trying to solve this really tricky puzzle. How do you tell an AI to make a person walk without it getting all confused and maybe making their arm flap around weirdly? In other words, how do you separate what's in the video from how it moves? MocoGAN's solution was just brilliant. It was kind of like having two different remote controls, one for the scenery and the characters, and a completely separate one for the action. That simple idea was a huge leap forward, and it really paved the way for the incredible AI video tools we have today. Okay, so that's a quick trip down memory lane. Let's fast forward back to today and see what's actually in the toolbox right now. The AI video world is absolutely buzzing with powerful options, and each one has its own special talent. All right, here's a quick snapshot of the heavy hitters. If you're chasing that mind-blowing is this real kind of realism, Sora 2 is your go-to. If you need perfect audio and flawless lip sync, Veo 3 is king. For professional level editing and control, Runway is the way to go. And hey, if you're just starting out and want to have some fun, Pika is a fantastic place to begin. The bottom line is, there's a tool out there for whatever you want to create. You can think of Sora 2 and Veo 3 as two master filmmakers who just have different specialties. Sora 2 is like that director who's obsessed with getting the physics just right, making every visual look incredibly real. Veo 3, on the other hand, is like a genius sound designer who creates the perfect audio experience for that world, from a quiet whisper to a huge explosion. So you've picked your tool, now for the really fun part, bringing your ideas to life. And the secret to making amazing AI videos? It's all in the prompt. You have to think of it like you're talking to your AI co-director. The clearer your instructions, the better the final cut is going to be. To get those killer results, you just need to remember these 5 things. 1, be super specific about what's in the scene. 2, direct the camera like you're the cinematographer. 3, define the style. Is it cinematic, anime? 4, set the scene with the lighting. And 5, describe the motion with vivid language. If you master these, you'll be making incredible stuff in no time. So, what happens if you just toss the AI a lazy prompt like a dog running? Well, you'll get exactly that, a dog running. I mean, it's technically correct, but it's not very exciting, is it? It doesn't really tell a story. But now, look at this. Check out the difference a little detail makes. We've got the breed of the dog, the emotion, the setting, the time of day, even specific camera direction. This prompt doesn't just create a generic video, it creates a feeling. It captures a specific moment. That is the power of a great prompt. As incredible as all this is, believe it or not, we're just getting started. The next wave of AI video is already on the horizon, and it is going to be a whole new level of creative power. The future of AI video is basically about giving you superpowers. I mean, imagine creating videos in real time, literally as fast as you can think. Imagine creating a whole full-length movie with just a few prompts. And imagine doing all of it right on your phone. These are the kinds of superpowers that are coming our way. Real-time generation? Oh, this is a total game changer. Let's say you're making a scene with a car chase. Instead of just typing in a prompt and waiting, you'll be able to grab the car with your mouse and actually steer it yourself. You'd be the director and the stunt driver, all at the same time. You know, for the longest time, AI videos were like these cool but very short little poems. Well, now we're on the brink of AI creating epic novels. With tools that can make videos of pretty much any length, the question is no longer if an AI can direct a full movie, but when, and what kind of stories is it going to tell? And maybe the best part of all this? Soon, you won't even need a beast of a computer or a super fast internet connection. Everything is going to happen right on your phone or your laptop. That means you can create a masterpiece on the bus, at the beach, pretty much wherever inspiration strikes. So, with all this incredible power basically in your pocket, what does it all really mean? It means we are entering a brand new era of creation, where AI isn't just a tool, but a true creative partner, a co-director. And this right here is the key thing to remember. AI video isn't a science experiment anymore. It's a real tool for real creators. It's time to stop just being amazed by what it can do and start using it to tell your stories, build your brand, and create your art. So the technology is here. The studio is officially open. The only thing that's missing is you. So what are you waiting for? The world is waiting to see what you'll create. Go make something amazing.